Yo, what's going on, everyone? What a day! We had a huge drop on the SPY. We dropped about 3% on the SPY. I think the Dow dropped even more. Um, this will be the most important video you watch this month. And I almost want to say maybe this year. And maybe in your life if you take the advice. But before I give you this good advice, and I'm telling you, you're going to like this. Like and subscribe. Helps the channel a lot. And you won't miss any of the other good videos. I try not to put out videos that don't mean anything. So make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. Did you get eaten up in the market today? We saw this coming. So before I start on this, so today here in the Discord for the free chat, okay, I didn't even keep this for premium members only. I actually said this here in the free chat today, and at 10:57 a.m. I said, hey, we're expected to get a 0.25 cut today, but I would be very careful if the Fed talks about slowing cuts in the meeting. The market is forward looking, so that's a big unknown that could be a negative. And what a fucking negative it was, huh? Huge drop today on the SPY. Let's just take a quick look at it before I get into what I'm about to show you. And trust me, you want to see this. So we had a huge drop today on the SPY, and hopefully you guys made a good amount of money like I did. So today, what is this all important advice that I'm gonna show you? Well, the last time I shared this was on August 5th, okay? And I said, guess what, guys? It's time to buy, all right? Why? Whenever the VIX gets over 30, it's signaling that essentially it signals a bottom. You would think it would be the other way around, but it's actually the it's actually the opposite. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. And I'm going to go back to each time it was over 30. Now, I don't think we tapped 30 today. Not yet. But we got damned close. And so here is August 5th, and I'll show you why this is so important. Okay, you can see this doesn't happen very often where we go over 30. But when we do, what happens is very clear. We bottom. Okay, so this is from August 5th. Or I'm sorry, yeah, August 5th. VIX spiked over 30. Shit, it hit, and I'm talking about August 5th this year. It hit 65. I forget what it was, probably some Fed bullshit or something like that. But here, so let's see what happened on August 5th of this year. Some of you, if you've been following me, know exactly what happened. All right, August 5th. Let's go to it. All right, let's do this. I know exactly where it's at, too. Here we go. August 5th, right here. Okay? Boom. Right here. All right? The bottom. It called the bottom. All right? Um, is that a coincidence? I think not. Let's go and check the last time it hit 30, okay? So the time before that was, looks like Monday, March 13th of 2023. So March 13th of 2023. Let's see what happened. And it's funny because you can really kind of point this out on the what did I say? March 13th, 2023, right? Look at that. And not you want to see something wild here? March 13th, 2023. So this wasn't the exact bear market bottom, which was here a couple months earlier, but this was fucking damn close. It called the bear market bottom, essentially. And you'll see here. You want to take a guess where the VIX was here on October 22nd? Because that was actually the real bottom. So let's see. October 22nd of 2023. What did I say? 22nd? Maybe I read that wrong. No, 13th. October 13th, 2023. There we go. October 13th, 2023. Would you look at that? The VIX is over 30. Over 30, over 30, over 30. And if you go back over here, you get bounces on all of these, okay? So, what does that mean? It's time to load up, boys and girls. It's time to fucking, if you're a long term trader, if you are a swing trader, it's time to start building a position. I'm telling you right now, it's time. Okay. Now, could something happen with like this where we spike and we go we do about 2 weeks of this? Could happen. Definitely could happen. But what happens after that? We head back down, okay? And you can see we never really, I mean, unless you're like going back until COVID over here, which was a different type of scenario, where the VIX spiked all the way up to 85, and everybody was panicking here for about a month, really 2 months or so. But we all know what happened after COVID. We had one of the best bull runs in recent history. So I'm going to keep the video short, guys. I've said what I've had to say. You're either going to listen or you're not. So take what you will with that information. I'm starting a position, or I'm adding to my positions. I'm loading up, especially if we actually hit 30. I would say right now here at 28, you can probably start to nibble a little bit, in case we just start heading back down. Now, if we head back up and do go actually over 30, which you'll see happens, it never really actually does that. But here, let's take a before we end the video. Let's see if we can find an instance. So this happened on same type of thing where it hit 28 on September 21st, and then on May, or I'm sorry, on May 12th, 21, and on September 16th. So September 16th, 21, and May 12th, 21. Let's see what happened. September 16th, 21, and May 12th, 21. Okay, here's May 12th. Here's May 12th. May 12th. Boom. Rocket up. Okay, let's check September. Bet you it's one of these. Look at that. September, what did I say? Something close. September 16th is what I said. September 16th. So September 16th was actually right here. So it's not the exact bottom, but up and away we went. Okay. So I don't know what else to show you, what other evidence you can see. It's all right there. And this is the type of information you're going to get on this channel. I'm going to give you the fucking good, the stuff where you're really going to make a good amount, some big wins off these plays. This is the information that I'm giving to you. So you can either run with the herd and run with the hills, or you can buy their shit from them when they sell it and then sell it back to them at highs when we get there. It's up to you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.